Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step guide on how to change the financial year-end in QuickBooks Online for 2025. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant, getting your financial year set correctly is crucial for accurate reporting, and I'll make sure you can do it in just a few clicks. So, stick with me until the end. You don't want to miss this. First, let's log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on your dashboard, head over to the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a little gear. Click it, and then select Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, in the Account and Settings window, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. Click on Advanced. This section contains all the important details about your company's accounting setup. Scroll down until you find the Accounting section. Here, you'll see the option for the first month of your fiscal year or the fiscal year end, depending on your version. Click the Edit pencil icon to make changes. Next, choose the correct month for your financial year end from the drop-down menu. For example, if your financial year ends in June, select June. Once you've made your selection, click Save and then Done to confirm the changes. QuickBooks will now use this new fiscal year-end date for all your reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and tax reports. It's that simple. But here's a tip. Make sure you update this before closing your books for the year to avoid any discrepancies in your financial reports. And that's it. Changing your financial year-end in QuickBooks Online is fast, easy, and ensures your reporting stays accurate. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.